Hey there, Sunshine! So today I'm unboxing a brand new subscription box on my channel, and I'm so excited to unbox this with you guys because it's already starting off so amazing. So here in my hands I have the Slay Glam Box to unbox with you guys. Now this came in a pink mailer with no padding, no protection or anything like that, so that's why the box is kind of a little bit like crumpled up. But this came in that pink mailer and I thought it was going to be like a legit like box, whereas this is more like a candy pouch. And the first thing that I pulled out is this full-size brush set from Crown Pro. It's a full-size brush set. Oh my gosh, I have never seen this before. This is so pretty. This is their Enchanted Rose, like a limited edition collection. It says so right here. Oh my gosh, that is so fun and so beautiful. We have like it's like gold, and then you have like the unicorn horn shaped handles. We have 2 face brushes and 3 eye brushes. Yes, like that is such an amazing start to this box. I can't wait to see what else is in here. Okay, so I have no idea on pricing on this box. I'm really bad with these sorts of things and remembering anything like that. But if you want that information, that'll all be linked below in the description box. So with that said, let's pull this out and see what else we have in here. Okay. It says Slay Glam Box, thank you for your subscription. Slay that look and share us on social media. And then it has a card with everything inside of here as well as pricing. So everything is just wrapped up in bubble wrap. Okay, I'm just gonna leave everything in the bubble wrap and just pull out one by one like I would with any other subscription box. But the first thing that I am pulling out is this from Somre, the Shimmering Glow Mineral and Body Powder. Ooh, this is really fun. I've never seen anything like this. I don't know if I've even heard of this brand before. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's a kabuki brush, and I bet you just... Oh my gosh. Yeah, do you guys see that? Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. It's a little dark for my skin tone, but I'm getting this all over. We're just gonna be so pretty. This is gonna be so pretty. Okay, that is beautiful. Not to mention I can just push the kabuki back up and boom, we're back in motion. Okay, that is so beautiful. Let's see if I can like wipe it around and like make it complement my skin tone a little better. Like, does that work? I mean, I have a line on my neck. Oh, look at my hand. Looks like I like a bad spray tan went wrong. Okay, so that is so fun. I've never seen anything like that ever. Like, ever in my life. That is literally so fun. Okay, the next thing that I pulled out is a Note BB Natural Lip Color. And then it says Lip Corrector 01. So let's see what this is. Okay, we got a little felt tip on it. Ooh. I don't feel like my lips look any different, but it definitely feels like I have like a nice lip gloss on them. No scent, no taste, which I am totally cool with. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Somre Treatment Cosmetics Mechanical Eyeliner, and it says True Line. I think I have one of these in silver, but this says Plum. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's a purple eyeliner. Thank you, especially if it's a waterline liner. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's a waterline liner and purple. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Okay, that is really beautiful. Let's see if it does smudge, but oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. And then the last thing that I've received is from, oh my god, look at that packaging. Yes. Okay, this is from Rasha B Cosmetics Matte Shimmers and Glitter. Oh my gosh, this is literally like blinding. I love this so much. The packaging. Okay, honestly, this was not the quality that I was expecting from this box. A lot of these like starting off small beauty subscription boxes don't send out like quality products like this, but oh my gosh, I am literally so impressed. Look how beautiful. Look how absolutely beautiful. I was gonna test, but I want to do like a first impressions with this palette. Oh my gosh, I'm like shocked. I am so impressed with these glitters because there's no fall, there's no chipping, everything's just like tight and in place. This is not a mess. Like I've seen even like high-end brands like send out palettes and like the glitters like all over the place, but no, I'm not gonna test this out because I really want to do like a first impressions with it and see like how amazing quality it is. I just want to take a quick second to apologize for all of the bugs in this video. I feel like they'll be like, why do you have so many bugs in your house? It is literally because I am filming outside in a 3 Seasons room. I have my door open, I have the windows open, so there's just bugs flying in because I have this bright ring light and like overhead lights on. There's so much light. It's 3 o'clock in the morning and I have everything open, so it's just everything coming inside to join us for this wonderful, amazing, and super surprising unboxing. But that's why there's so many bugs. But so let's talk about the pricing from the Slay Glam Box. The Rasha B Cosmetics Matte and Shimmer Glitters Eyeshadow Palette has a retail value of $29. That's amazing. I literally cannot wait to play with that. The No Cosmetics BB Lip Corrector has a retail value of $15. The Sourmet True Line Mechanical Eye Pencil has a retail value of $16. The Sourmet Shimmer Glow Sparkling Mineral Face and Body Powder, like I have a glow to my chest, it's beautiful, has a retail value of $24.50. The Crown Brush Enchanted Rose Brush Set has a retail value of $19.99. I am so surprised with this box. I'm so happy with this box. Like I've received like items in here that I'm like, okay, I know that brand, or oh, I don't know that brand at all. Everything in here, there's no like junk in here. There's no like dollar store like crappy filler stuff in here. Like everything in here seems like amazing quality, and I'm so incredibly impressed. Like I cannot wait to unbox another box with them. I'm so hyped about this right now. So that is everything that I received in my Slay Glam Box. I can't wait to hear what you guys' thoughts are in the comment section down below. Would you like to see more of this beauty box on my channel? What was your favorite product? I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.